What is up, guys? I am stoked to show you our latest knife, the Yuti.
It's not really a knife.
Or a medical condition. It's our first ever utility knife. It's called the Yuti with a Y. It's a crossbar lock with a deep carry pocket clip, thumb stud, G10 handle, bearings, and a utility blade that is swappable on the job site. It's ambidextrous, sleek, and compact, unlike these chunky boys. It's everything we know about pocket knives in utility blade form. Fitz designed it over the course of 3 years. So why did it take so long?
In true construction fashion, literally everything got delayed.
Hey, looks like your house is gonna be done next week.
Now, in full transparency, we're not really the guys that are on job sites using utility knives. That's why I recruited my friend, Zach. He's a general contractor and he helped us with the R&D and testing on this thing for months. Zach, what'd you think? So here we are, 3 years later with a utility blade. It's an absolute masterpiece. It cuts until it doesn't. Then you just replace the blade and you keep on trucking. We'd love your support on the Yuti. Back our Kickstarter today.